In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to generate images in Canva. We're going to walk through this slowly and clearly so that even if you're brand new to Canva or to AI tools, you'll feel confident using this feature by the end. All you need is a Canva account and a design open on your screen. Once you're in your design, the first thing you want to do is look over to the left-hand side of the Canva interface. You'll see a vertical toolbar there with different options like templates, elements, text, and so on. Find the one labeled Elements and click on it. This is where Canva keeps all kinds of visual assets, and it's also where the AI image generator lives. When you click on Elements, a panel will open showing you graphics, photos, shapes, and other categories. Depending on your version of Canva, you may see a section related to AI image generation, such as text to image or AI images. The wording can vary a little, but the idea is the same. This is the tool that turns your written descriptions into original images. Go ahead and click on that AI image option. A box will appear where you can type in a description of the image you want to create. This step is really important because the quality of your results depends heavily on how clearly you describe what you're looking for. In the description box, type in what you want the image to show. Be as specific as you can. For example, instead of just typing a cat, you might write a realistic orange cat sitting on a windowsill at sunset. Soft lighting, cozy atmosphere. You can describe the setting, the style, the mood, and even the colors. The more detailed your prompt, the closer the AI can get to your vision. Once you're happy with your description, look for the button that says something like Generate Images and click it. Canva will take a few moments to process your request. Then it will display several image options based on the description you provided. From here, you can simply click on the image you like best and it will automatically be added to your design. You can resize it, reposition it, or combine it with other elements just like any other Canva graphic. If you're not satisfied with the first results, adjust your description and click Generate Images again until you get something that really fits your project.